Welcome to Dentulu, your all-in-one dental management app. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to use the notifications section in the provider portal. Start by logging into app.dentulu.com using your registered email address and password. Once you're on the dashboard, click Notifications from the left side menu. You'll be taken to the Notifications page where you can view all of your notifications. Use the All, Read, and Unread tabs to quickly filter your notifications. To view more information about a notification, click here. This will take you to the corresponding booking details page. From there, you can review important appointment information, including the appointment ID, appointment time, requested service, payment, payment status, telephone number, and address. You'll also have access to additional tools such as Chat Now, progress notes, digitized paperless forms, write new prescription, insurance information, request health history, request consent form, view dental history, recommend products, and send payment request. That's it. The notifications section helps you stay informed and quickly access appointment details and patient management tools, all from one convenient location. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next Dentulu tutorial.